no-buy failure continues. This is my Sweet for Fuel box. This is my second to the last failure of a no-buy box that I'm getting. And pardon that was me. I messed up. But anyway, so let's see what's inside. Gosh, I really pressed that pen in there. Ooh! All right, so thank you. Oh, the pen is sparkly even. Thank you so much. So grateful for your continued support. Spring and Easter items are in the works now. All right. Look at this, shimmery. Yes, girl, work. Lovely. This is the prettiest card I've ever seen. Put that money into these cards, girl. All right. And on the back is a thank you. I miss her. She's been really busy. I haven't really seen much from her recently on Instagram. Just a few posts here and there. But anyway, we have Moon Dust. And this has, I don't know if I'm going to be, oh, so it has really bright and colorful little round end beds in there, or half round end beds in there, as you can see. Very, very cute. This is Musky Florals, Lemon Mandarin, and Vanilla. Next, I got Fairy Dust, Cherry Blossom, and Fresh Vanilla. I mean, literally, Sweet for Fuel has got my most favorite scents ever, 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 ever. And packed so tight, I can't even see the shape that's inside of there. But there are shapes in there. Move, move. I don't even know. I don't even know what I ordered, honestly. Next, we have Solitaire Bath Bomb Dust. Lily of the Valley, Jasmine, Vanilla, Musk. I'm trying to see what the price is on these. Do I have an invoice? Yes. The bath bomb bags, I mean the dust bags are $8.95 a piece. All right. Then we have, oh, how cute. I assume this is like a freebie. Yes. She was for a long time, and I don't know if it's a continuous thing with her, but she was doing like little bath bombs as the freebie, and it always, every month it was a different one, and this is super cute. Next we have this pretty skull. Look at that, the detail on it. I got this because the very first skull I ever got was from her. Ever in life, and I've always loved her little skulls, the colors that she puts in there. That one was $8.95, and then I got this little heart. And why'd I get it? Because her more purple water is really gorgeous. So when I saw that, whether, I don't even know if there's embeds in here or anything, but I just love the way her purple water ends up looking. So I wanted to try this one. And she sent an extra one. So it should be down here somewhere, or at least her packaging says it. All right. I think that's it. All right. So beautiful. So what do we have? We have two of these purple hearts. We have the I Love You. We have the skull. Be Mine skull. So cute. Like, look at the detail she puts in there. It looks like she actually took a marker to it. Then we have Fairy Dust. This. Oh, yeah, Fairy Dust. Oh, this was a freebie. Thank you. I was going to say, that's not on my list. We have the Solitaire. This has like little gem-shaped embeds. This is not my first time having it, but there's like little gem-shaped or diamond-shaped embeds in there. And then this last one is Moon Dust, and I don't remember. I think I ordered this before, and then I lost it. Never got to use it. I think that was the deal. Or maybe I found it. I know that I did not demo this because I lost it, so I had to order it again. All right, guys. It's probably somewhere in this house. I just don't know where. All right, guys. That's it for Sweet for Fuel and her gorgeous Let me turn it around. Shimmery card. Look at that. Shimmer. And that's it. So I will talk to you guys on the next one.